Storey Gardens consists of two gardens. The Copper Beech Garden, which has the beautiful Copper Beech tree, which is probably 170 or 180 years old. And then the Tasting Garden, which is separated by the Georgian wall. And the Tasting Garden was created as an environmental artwork by Mark Dion. And the idea behind that is to really honor the varieties of trees, fruit trees that are now becoming extinct because supermarkets don't favor them. So people can come in late autumn, pick some pears, apples, cherries. The Friends of the Storey Gardens officially was created in the 2013 with the remit to enhance and develop and maintain the Storey Gardens for the good of the people of Lancaster. For a long time, the Friends have been involved in trying to develop the space. More recently, what we've been doing is to try and recreate the Tasting Garden in collaboration with Mark Dion, the artist. The garden was vandalized, the sculptures were stolen, the bronze sculptures, and the paths became really derelict. We tried to weed them, but it became impossible to keep them clear. So we really set three things to do: to do the gardening shed, to do the paths, and to do the sculptures. The sculptures we've done, recreated them in stone. The sculptor Alan Ward at the castle is heavily involved. He sculpted the fruits, he carved the names in the plinths. Very recently we've done the paths. That project was funded by the Lancaster Environmental Fund, the National Lottery Community Fund and the Fenner Scott Foundation. The total project cost was £37,000. And what we now have is environmentally friendly paths, easily maintainable. It just defines the space, because without the paths, the space is not defined. It's now clear where the paths lead. They go to the sculptures, and the sculptures are really there to honor the fruit trees. And hopefully, now that the paths are in place, the next step is to continue with the sculptures.